Hello, welcome back to Citizen Pew Garage. Today I have to replace some drainage for my guttering system there. So this piece right here, yeah, something got clogged up in the bottom of it, and man, I used a rubber mallet to try to get it out, and it was just clogged all up in there. So I was like, you know what, I'll just replace the whole thing. So I got a new fresh piece over here to my left, as you can see, and yeah, I'm just gonna basically run you through what I'm doing. So, you know, if you ever have to do it, it's not that hard. You need some self-tapping screws, a drill, something to cut that new piece with, and a ladder, and you know, that should be it. I did buy some new brackets. I'll probably replace those. I don't know, we'll see how they're attached to the house. So all right, yep, I'm gonna get started here. Here we go. All right, first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off the old one. I am gonna replace some of the, I think, the bottom 90. I'm not too worried about the top one. I got pressure washed this side of the house anyway still, so here we go. I'm just gonna find the right one I need to get rid of these screws that are in there, and yeah, we'll be golden. Woo. So looks like the holders were broken in half, so good thing I bought some replacements. Probably could reuse that. All right, I got everything off. One thing I will have to do is I'll have to drill some holes in my new straps and put those in, and then they'll bend around and, you know, sheet metal screw to the new piece to keep it against the house. So yep, so I gotta go get a drill bit so I can drill that out, and a little table out here. So I'll be right back. All right, I got my little table here, and I'm gonna pre-drill these things. So yep, show you what I'm doing here in just a second. I'm going to use this one to try to get an idea where the holes are going to be. They don't need to be super perfect. There we go. All right. And I got 3 of these things all stacked on top of each other. Yep, we're gonna do all 3 at once. There we go. Got a little bit of debris on the end there, but I'll get it off here. and it burrs. There we go. Bam. All right, there you go. Got our holes cut in so we can put these in, and then yeah, get back to going at it. Alrighty. Make sure you have the torque dialed down when you do this, because yeah, you don't want to go through those things. Alrighty, here we go. You know what, before I do this next one, I'm going to move the camera over here to it. There you go. Give you all a close-up of it. There we go. Last one's the top one. Gotta use the ladder for that one. All right, the next step is I just got to cut the new piece to the exact length, and I'm going to use the other one here to measure it. So I'm going to set up a couple simple saw legs, and yeah, we're going to cut it with a hacksaw. All right. Alright, there we go. We got our cut. Of course, it's ugly, but that's alright because that's going to be covered up. So, alright, next step is to put it in place and start, you know, locking it down. So, I bought matching self-tapping screws here like this. Bam. So, they'll match, you know. Yeah. Then hopefully when I pressure wash everything over here, it all looks good. All right, there's the first one. These straps overlap. I couldn't find anything else, so it's gonna have to be what it's gonna be. But you know, these gutters, they don't got too much life left on them, so eventually it's gonna be all replaced. But yeah, it'll do for now. So at least it'll look right, you know. And it's the backyard, so let's do a close-up of this next one. Alright, I got one more left to do. I'm gonna move the ladder for that one. I don't like the ladder on this side so much because it's the ground's not level. Kind of hard to get the ladder placed right, but we'll see how it goes. Always take an extra screw up with you. All right, there you go. That's how it's done. Yep. That baby ain't going anywhere. And when I break the pressure washer out and do the back deck, the sidewalks and stuff like that, and the side of the house, this corner is the corner that gets the most kind of mold and mildew and stuff like that, just because it gets less of the sun than any part of the other, rest of the house. So it's always a place I got to pressure wash. But when I pressure wash it, that stuff up there, yeah, that'll all be off of that. So, well, you have to forgive my GoPro died. It can't handle the stale, stagnant air, heat, and humidity in this area. It's a problem I have on my other channel too. They just don't last. They just can't hold up to the Tennessee weather here during the spring, summer, and early fall. Honestly, they don't. But anyhow, you saw everything. Let me know what you think. Put a comment down in the comment section. I just ran to Lowe's and bought a piece. Like I said, the strapping, all they had was the big ones. It would have been nice if they would have had the shorter ones that, didn't go all the way around. But I was able to use one screw to hold it in place, so not bad, not bad. Other than that, yeah, it's good. Here's the base of it right there, and boom, yep, there it is up top. So, yep. It'll do. Like I said, I got to pressure wash it now, but other than that, that's all I have for the video. Appreciate you all watching. Let me know your thoughts. Like I said, leave a comment down in the comment section. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget, you can check out my other channels. There's Citizen Pew as well, but different genres. So I have 3 channels right now. I'm trying to revamp one of them is actually my primary channel, but anyhow, yep, I have a website too. You can check it out at citizenpew.com. It will eventually have material from all of my channels on it, but right now it only has one. So I appreciate you watching the video though, and y'all have a good day.